My name is Mariśca, and today we will learn how to create our own page. First, you will need to log in. I am showing you how to do this on a device. For the most part, you can do this on a computer or on a mobile device. It doesn't really matter which. Once you are logged in, you will need to, on a mobile device, navigate to the three lines over here on the right. This will show you your sort of menu. This will give you multiple different ways of navigating around Facebook. Now we're going to build a page, so we're going to click on Pages. This will show you suggested pages, liked pages, any invitations other people have sent you to like pages. It will also give you room to create your page. So let's tap on Create and see what happens. Alright, create your page. Publicly connect. Alright, so let's get started. First, you do need to choose your page name. So let's say all about books. And, let's make sure it's capitalized. All about books. And yes, there's an exclamation point. I'm really excited about books. This can be any title, anything you could do. All about bird tweets, all about cars. You can even do, you can name it anything you want. I'm going with all about books. You can choose your own title. All right. Oh no. No exclamation points allowed. Okay, all about books. What kind of category? So if this is a business, you could choose bookstore. You could choose a product or service, shopping and retail. If it's a personal blog, or you've put in, it's going to be about you or what you like personally, you can choose personal blog. For now, we're going to go with personal blog. Add a link. Do we have a link? I don't have a website, so there's no website that I can personally link to. However, if you have a business, this is where you would enter that website link. Then let's see. We're all done. So we can add a profile picture. You can add a cover photo. For now, let's just do done. And Facebook gives us a guide. So let's start with exploring. And this is reminding us to upload a photo. You can even do a slideshow. We're gonna skip that for now because I don't have any images. You can add an image. You can add a cover picture. You can invite friends. So if you have a bunch of friends on your main Facebook account, you can invite them. Now, this account does not have any friends, but that shouldn't stop you. And create a post. All right, let's create a post. What about books do I want to talk about today? Today's happy last day of June. What have you read this month? All right, and we're gonna share. Now, you can, if you're on a computer, you can schedule your post. So if you wanted to have a regular post come out at 9 o'clock, you could set them all out in advance, multiple days in advance, and you could schedule it, and they would all show up at 9 o'clock on the scheduled day, right on time. You can also do this for different times of day, for different posts, different kinds of posts. But for now, I'm just going to share. Let's see, it's posting. All right, we're done. So, just now, happy last day of June. What have you read this month? So there we go. That is pretty much all it takes to set up a page. Now, tips on sharing. Let's see. Yes, we added ourselves as an admin because, hey, we created this page. So some things I would like to mention about pages, because really you've created your page, you're all set to go. But some tips to make your page engaging. Definitely add a cover photo and a profile photo. This will personalize it, make it more attractive to, just general people on the web. Especially if it's not a personal blog, if it's a business-based item, you need a photo that shows what your business is about, or a snapshot that encapsulates your business. Either a photo of the location or of something you do, something like that. Share regularly updates on events if you're a business, updates on whatever the blog is about. So if you're blogging about books, every so often ask people to engage, mention you're reading XYZ book, ask for opinions on different genres, things like that. Make sure you have regular interaction. And the last thing is, you can promote. Now, 0 people have been reached because no one follows this particular blog. But, next steps. Yes, we created a post. Okay. So, you can also do ads if you have the money. You can do, let's see what more has. So Insights will show you everything you need to know. It'll show you how many people have seen your post, how many people have liked it, how many people who saw your post navigated to your page and liked your page, so they'll get more updates, things like that. Encourage people to recommend your page. Hey, we've got an event coming up. Make sure your friends know about it. That's what that is. In general, what you want to do with a page is post to it regularly so that, people can see it and keep seeing it and keep seeing that your page exists. Bring it to the forefront of their mind. Other tips, spelling kind of matters. Your computer should have autocorrect, or your phone should have some autocorrect, so don't worry too much about that. Explore. Find out what works for you and your business. That is how to build a page. Everything else is personalized based on what you want to see.